Welcome to the Pye Motors Transit Centre here in Morecambe. Telephone number is 01524 598 598, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Just going to give you a quick video walk around of this lovely Transit Connect Limited, available here at Pye Motors, presented in chrome blue. The Connect Limited is a lovely small van, perfect for all your couriering needs or any other little bits that you may require. You've got front fog lights and an LED daytime running light strip running around the outside of the headlight. The 16-inch alloy wheels add a kind of touch of luxury to the vehicle and make it stand out really well on the street. Inside the load space, loads of room for any little bits that you may require, and a lay-through hatch into the front when the front passenger seat is folded away. When the front passenger seat is down, you get a lovely flat load-through area. This Connect Limited benefits from reverse parking sensors and the rear doors, which open past 90 degrees to allow you to load really wide loads into the back of the vehicle. In the cabin, we can see we've got our cruise control and speed limiter adjustable on the steering wheel, as well as all the controls for your radio and media system. We also have in here a wireless charger, so you slot your wirelessly charging phone into that gap there and it will all charge for you whilst you're on the move. Got our air conditioning controls down here, just a little bit further down, for hot, cold and fan speed, and of course 6-speed gearbox. The vehicle is turned on and off with this start-stop button, so all you do is press that down and the vehicle fires into life, giving you the digital display and the radio system. To find out more about this or any other vehicle we have in stock here at Pye Motors Transit Centre in Morecambe, please give our team a call on 01524 598 598.